In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Analytics 4, also known as GA4, along with purchase event tracking to your Shopify store step by step. Whether you're running ads, checking where your sales are coming from, or you simply want a clear view of your customer journey from visit to checkout, this guide will help you set everything up correctly and confidently without any confusion. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and look over to the left menu. From here, click on Apps. Once you're inside the Apps section, find the search bar and type in Google and YouTube. Click on the Google app from the results to open its page in the Shopify App Store, and then go ahead and install it. Make sure you follow along carefully here because this app is what connects your store with Google services. Next, once the app is installed, you'll see it appear in your apps list on the left panel. Click on the Google app to begin the setup. When prompted, select Connect Google Account and sign in with the Google account you want to use for analytics. Allow the required permissions so data can flow smoothly between Shopify and Google. This part is extremely important. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you already have access to Google Analytics, use the correct Google account, and double-check that your store URL is correct. Doing this beforehand can save time and prevent setup errors later on. Once your account is connected, click on the option to Get Started with Google Analytics 4. You'll be guided to create or select a GA4 property. If needed, add a new web data stream, enter your store's URL, name the stream, and continue. Then head back to Shopify, select that GA4 property, and click Connect. After that, GA4 will start tracking events automatically, including purchase events. It's also a good idea to visit your GA4 dashboard and confirm that events are appearing correctly. This ensures everything is working smoothly and your data stays accurate. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to track Shopify sales, purchase events, and customer behavior using GA4 with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, share it with someone who might be struggling with analytics setup. Why not make someone's day easier?